Hey dude, what's up? Where you were? I have not seen you.
Nothing much, buddy. How everything with you?
All good. Yesterday, I went to a 7-star hotel restaurant.
Wow, that's amazing, buddy. I missed it. Very unfortunate.
It's not amazing, I was just enjoying after seeing the lots of girls.
Why, what's happened? You should be enjoy it.
When I was there, I really needed to pass the gas. I have drunken the soda quickly.
And? What was your problem, buddy?
Actually, the music was very loud. Ha ha. He. Huff huff. So, I did it.
And, then?
Actually, I realized, I was listening to my iPod. Please don't laugh, otherwise I will not talk to you.
Sorry. Little buddy. Let's do practice of dance. And match the dance steps together. But buddy, you have to take care such kind of things in the public place. You are growing.
You don't have to tell and repeat again and again. I was very ashamed at that time in the hotel restaurant, but I was acting like that I have not done anything wrong. You know, I was just ignoring everything.
Jungle.